Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're going to be looking at Databricks. They got this really interesting $62 billion valuation. On the surface, they're a data and analytics company, but there's a lot more to it than that. Yeah, $62 billion puts them right up there with the biggest tech companies in the world. And they've done it by, focusing on making data accessible and useful. When you think about it, we're basically swimming in data these days, right? But most businesses, they don't really know what to do with it all. It's just a big mess. So that's where Databricks comes in. They've built this platform that helps companies manage that data, but not just manage it. They help them actually get insights from it. And the really interesting part is that they're using AI to do it. And we're not talking about, basic analytics here. This is about leveraging cutting-edge AI to really unlock the potential of that data. And that focus on AI, it's a huge part of why they've been so successful. They've made some really smart partnerships too, like with Amazon. They're using Amazon's Trainium AI chips, and they're expanding their use of NVIDIA chips through Amazon Web Services.
So basically they have access to some of the most powerful AI infrastructure out there. But it's not just about the tech. They're also attracting top talent in the AI field. So what does this all mean for the average person? Well, I think Databricks is a signal of a big shift that's happening. We're moving from a world where we just collect data to a world where we actually understand it, analyze it, and use it to make real decisions. And Databricks is leading the way in that transformation.
Analyze huge amounts of data and get really specific insights. And that means you can make better decisions that are based on data. Decisions that can actually impact your bottom line. And it's not just marketing either. We're seeing the potential to transform so many different industries, any industry that relies on data really. But their success isn't just about making AI accessible. It's also about the power and the flexibility of their platform. One of the things that really sets Databricks apart is their open and collaborative approach. They've built their platform on open source technologies, which means that developers all over the world can actually contribute to it. They can create new tools and applications. And that's created this really vibrant ecosystem around Databricks, this library of pre-built solutions and integrations that's constantly growing. That open approach also makes it easier for companies to integrate Databricks with their existing systems. And they don't have to start from scratch. They can just plug Databricks in and start seeing the benefits of AI. And speaking of benefits, let's talk about the impact that Databricks is having on businesses. We're seeing companies in all sorts of industries achieve some pretty incredible results. There's this one example of a big retailer. They used Databricks to personalize their online shopping experience, and it led to a huge jump in sales. And then there's this healthcare provider. They use Databricks to build an AI system that predicts patient readmissions, so they can try to prevent them from happening in the first place. It's pretty remarkable stuff. These are just, a couple examples. But they show how Databricks is helping businesses use AI to solve real problems. And as AI keeps getting more advanced, we can expect to see even more amazing applications. So what's next for Databricks? Well, even though they're valued at, billions of dollars, they're still a private company.
And this latest funding round gives them a lot of flexibility in terms of when and how they do it, but IPO or not. One thing is clear. Databricks is a company with a mission. They're not just, trying to build a successful business. They're trying to shape the future of AI and how it's used to make a real difference in the world. Their story is really inspiring. It shows what can happen when you have a vision and you're willing to innovate and execute. It's a lesson for any business that wants to thrive in this age of AI. Who knows what the future holds for Databricks and for AI as a whole, but it's going to be an exciting ride. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep diving deep.